Slasher beats, here I come! Pomni's in the house, bringing the rhythm! Lame. This filthy doll must go in the trash, bye! Ow! What was that? A Barbie doll, so cute! Whoa! Was that an earthquake? Whatever. Whoa! Whose house is this? Fancy! Alright, Barbie, let's get you cleaned! Holy smokes, what happened to you?
I'm so ashamed of myself!
Oh no, don't worry, I'll fix you! I know what to do!
What are this for?
Just see! I got the secret recipe! Toothpaste for that minty fresh glow, and red glitter for a touch of glamour! Brace yourself, Barbie, it's makeover time! Let's fix this heavy situation and get you dolled up! Did you take a wrong turn and end up in a fuzzy forest? No worries though, Pomni's here to save the day! And done! Next, Twizzler's turn! We are peeling away the old hair skin to make room for… Uh-oh, this isn't going as planned! Yikes!
This is outrageous!
What?
Help, I can't see!
Oopsie, I can fix this with this marker. Stay calm, Barbie. We'll get you in your face. I got artistic skills. You're gonna love your new look.
Are you kidding me?
You call this a face?
I look like a guy!
Sorry, Barb. It's not done yet. Just lie down, got the color palette, and let me work my magic on you. Let's get the old tools ready first.
Okay.
Get ready to rock that red, Barbie. We are adding a splash of boldness to your look. Blue lips, why not? I call this bold makeup. And done. What the? Oh, beauty blender? Talk about perfect timing. See, Barbie, even the universe conspires to help us. With just a few taps and swipes, the foundation blends in perfectly. On to the next one. Check out this lip tint stencil in all different shades.
Wow, so many pretty colors to choose from. Let's see, gotta be my signature color, pink.
Good choice! But first, we need some tint base. This will make sure the glitter tint stays forever. Make it glitter rain. See how you look now?
Perfect!
Wait, why is this thing ringing?
Delivery for Pomni!
Oh, okay. Yes, I'm coming.
Well, hello! I'm here to bring some spice to this room. By spice, I mean colorful marks.
Whoa! Help!
Huh? Would you look at that? What if we add a little color to this plain doll? How about red and blue? They suit you well.
Oh no, he's a monster!
No one's out there. What in the circus? Jax?
Oh, hi, Pomni.
Jax, stop this madness right now!
It wasn't me!
Don't lie! There is evidence here!
But I love coloring! You'll be sorry, Pomni.
Oh, whatever.
My hair looks awful!
Trust me, Barbie. Sometimes a fresh start is just what you need. Ready for a bold new look.
Well, it's kinda cool.
I know, but we're still not done here. Time to add some color. Black is the new blonde.
Are you sure?
It's all about embarrassing change. You're gonna love it. Promise.
I feel fabulous already.
Wow, super fabulous.
Thanks, Pomni.
Wait, there is one more thing. You need this hat. Yay, we are twinning now. Wait, what is that? This Barbie red heels and Pomni's Circus jester costume will add a touch of jazz and fun to your collection.
No!
But what? Come on, these red heels are to die for. All for only $1,000 with a discount.
We don't have that much money!
Poor thing, what a shame. Don't worry, Barbie. Oh, a bummer. Oh well. Hey, it's our lucky day, Barbie. 1, 2, voila! Now add some fuzzy details. These fluffy buttons are essential to the look. Wow!
This costume is fantastic! Yay! Let's dance! Whoa! My foot!
Oh dear, that must hurt so bad. What should I do? Oh, this should do it. Stay calm, Barbie. I'll get it out for you. And it's out. I'll whip up some shoes for you to keep this little feet safe. It's a bit hot, but it's all worth it. Now for some Pomni's signature style. There you go. Those are pretty rad. I love it.
Let me see them! Oh, yeah!
We did it, Barbie. Oh, it's all a mess here. We gotta clean this. Done. Whew. I'd better get this trash out now.
You're mine now. Let's mess with her.
This kid's stucking out the trash. Done and done. Oh no, the door. Please stop. Wait.
Looking for this?
No. Huh? Is that bird poo? Not on my watch, silly bird. Use the toilet and to get things going. Birdie. Is that how you eat?
Yup, delicious!
Hey, something is happening! Jeez, you're really hard to go! Gross! Hey, can you stop? It's overflowing! Stop it! It's getting everywhere! What am I gonna do? Just look at all the stuff! Hey, it's Luca hard! What else I can do with this stuff? The possibilities are endless! Oh, yeah! A cup? Thanks! I can use this! Come here, little balls! Wow!
Over here! Need some milk there, Pomni?
Yes, please! I'd love some! Look how it's swimming in there! Isn't it pretty? Just another ha-heck surprise! Ready for some more? Hey, what's going on over there? Is that a man? What's he doing over there? Wait, is he…
Hey, do you mind?
Hey! What's that? It's covered in tons of goo? What is this? A giant booger? So nasty! What?
Hi there, Pomni. Look what I got. Wanna trade?
Sounds good. Hold on. What's that? Are you seeing this? It's a whole balloon. Hey, it fits. And I know just what to do with it. I sure don't miss this loser. At least he's still good for something. There. Looks great. Time to play. Nah, watch this. So cool.
So mesmerizing.
So, you wanna play with it or what?
That's a yes. All right, you can take the key.
Sounds good.
It's all mine.
That's right. Inside awaits. I'm going in. Finally. My key. What the? Come back here.
Too bad, too sad.
He tricked me. Come back. No more Miss Nice Pomni. I'm getting him back. Right after I stick from wherever this is. Well, it's like super glue or something. I just can't win today. How disgusting. It's so thick. Just look at it. Don't want it. Blah. Hey, wait. I think it's cooking. See those blue bubbles? It's sizzling. Smells kinda nice. Maybe I can use this thing after all. I know. Food time. Pour it on. Wow, that feels funky. So much chocolate. This is gonna be epic. Snack time, baby. Chocolate food. Made good. Yeah, get all that good stuff. And that calls for some sprinkles. Let's make it rain. The more the merrier. Aren't they just beautiful? Wow. Not bad. It's got a nice crunch to it, too. Heel time. So good. Am I a brilliant chef or what? Delicious. Wait a sec. Something's going on down here. Nobody's watching, right? Because I've really got to go. Oh, wait. Snake. That hurt. Hey, a bottle. I could use one of this. And you are just the tool for the job. Careful, that's one sharp blade. It cuts through the plastic like a dream. There. Oh. I could use some of this. And look, it has polka dots. This will keep the edges smooth. And pretty too. There. Ready for action. And the time is right. Sweet relief is on the way. Let it flow. Oh, I really had to go. That's one clean stream. Oh.
Need some of this?
Hey, I definitely do. This piece should do the trick. A nice trick one is best. Where is that coming from? Excuse me?
Oh, hello. It's the bathroom, isn't it? Whoops, sorry.
Are you kidding me?
My bad.
So terrifying. Oh, time to hide. Oh, when was the last time anyone cleaned in here? Hey, look. This is pretty cool. You think it glows? That answer is my question. I know how to make it even cooler. I'm gonna make my own lava lamp. It's giving psychedelic vibes. Groovy. Hey, how did that get there? Is it a sticker? Very nice. But I have better plans up my sleeve. Get ready for this one. Now stick a paper clip inside. Yep, right into the openings. Awesome. Now is where the real fun begins. I'm shaking things up a bit. There, look at them swimming. You having fun in there? Look at them go. Hey, someone is in here. Whoa, so rude. And now I'm covered in garbage. Gross. What is this stuff anyway? And this? Hey, this is food. Salty with a tang. Oh, free jacket. Oh no, is that a stain? Looks pretty bad. Now what do I do? Hey, look, it's a toothbrush. Mine. What does this guy eat? Disgusting. But I'll put it to good use. Just trust the process, okay? Can you tell me what it is yet? You'll know soon enough. I'll give you a hint. It likes bananas. Yep, it's a monkey. Not done. Got it. Some rat will make it pop, so I gave him a little head. Talk about an upgrade. Glad that's fixed. Hey, that's mine.
It's just perfect. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Come on, Daddy! My ducky! I gotcha!
Wow, did you see those sandals? I wish I had a pair like that. I just have this. How embarrassing. What's that guy doing now?
Breathe in!
That gives me an idea. Don't mind me. Thanks.
Whoa!
Awesome, just what I need. Let's get cutting, baby. Oh, yeah. Now let's bring it on home. Ta-da! My little baby is so perfect. But wait. I can use this. Wow, things are getting toothy up in here. Bye. There. Check it out. Fins for the win. They're almost ready. Well, one of them anyway. They're much better. This turned out so great. Cute shoes. Who's this?
Yeah, just like that.
Everyone's gonna be jealous.
Ooh, you're gorgeous. Yeah, it's giving fabulosity.
Please go on. Huh? How did you get here? You're so cute. I'll take care of you, Pop. You in good hands now. Just sit right here, okay? So cute. Glow up time. Don't worry, it can't feel a thing. So satisfying. I wonder what's inside this thing. Are you seeing all that goo? Okay, bye. I just need this part. Looking better already. But the magic is on the tiny details. Starting with this teeny ear. Or should I say eyes? Here you go. Well, what do you think? My little froggy doggy. I can't believe it. A little ducky. I just have to have it. I can't believe I'm so lucky. Hey!
I don't think so.
Let go.
You heard me? Never! It's mine!
No way, dude. You okay? Hold on. I know how to solve this problem. I just have to get a little crafty. First, make some cuts here. Don't forget about the other side. There. Looks good. And I made 2 of them.
All I guess.
Winner gets the dog. On your mark. Get, set, go. Yes, 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 yes.
Come on, go! Yeah!
No, 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 no.
No!
I won. What's all this? Don't worry. I'll help you. I'm busting this mystery wide open, and it won't hurt a bit. I've gotta get in there. Ready? Let's see. I definitely feel something. Oh, wait a minute. So much fluff. I see it. Look, it's coming out. I got it. Wow. It's Earthside now. It's a sweet little baby. Just look how it wiggles around.
Excuse me, can we get on with it?
Buckle up. This is gonna be the king of all pranks. It's showtime.
Hello? Anybody there? What's that? A little baby caterpillar? Hey, where are you going? Wow, so wiggly!
That was easy.
Wait a sec, what have I done? Pomni! That's right!
We did it!